Wow, why don't you open it? Open it. Can you open it?
I can open it.
Yeah, you open it. Here, Henry, look.
What did you open it?
Oh, you open it.
What did you open it?
You open it. It's for you. This is
Did
all
you
for you.
open it?
Okay, ready? Ready?
You can open
Here, pull. You help. Help. Yeah. Very good.
What is it?
that?
it.
Whoa, is that Thomas?
Shoes.
Is that Harold?
It's treasure.
Yeah, the tractor. Very good.
It's the tractor.
Very good.
No. How cuts it?
Very good. Oh, you want to go for another one?
Look at ours.
Yeah, you open it. Ready? You open it. Open. Here, start.
You rip the paper.
Okay. Wow!
Open.
Who's that? Who's that? Oh, Dash! Yeah!
Fix it.
You want me to fix it?
And fix it.
Hold on.
I'm gonna get it back.
Okay. Look it up. Fix it.
Do you want to check the camera?
Cut up. It's
Go.
cut up.
You want me to open it?
Open.
Why don't we open the other gifts and see what else we got? You want Bash? Yeah.
It's cut up. It's it.
Okay, can you bring the scissors over here?
Okay.
Is this what you want? That Bash. And Ferdinand. Alright, big boy. Let's keep going now. Come on. Come on. Let's keep opening. Get another one. Henry, you're not done yet. Aw, you happy? Did you have a good Christmas?
That's it?
That's all you want?
For now.
But look,
This
that's Bash. You want to open another one? Let's open up this one.
Yes.
Let's put him down, okay? Here, hold this.
Hold this.
Yeah, let's put this down. Try and open it. Open it. Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Rip, rip, rip.
No, it's just good. Ready? Yeah, yeah. What's that?
It's big stuff.
Yeah. Is that Victor?
It's that big stuff. Big stuff. Big stuff. Big stuff.
Wow.
It's the big stuff.
Is that Victor? Want more? Want me to open it?
Okay.
Or do you want to open another gift?
Do more presents.
Let's do
And
more
we'll
presents.
Open it all at the same
Wait,
time.
come on. Open more gifts.
Look
And
at all
then
this
come back.
stuff. Let's do more.
Let's open up more gifts.
A t-shirt for now.
Ready? Here.
Fix
Okay, we'll fix it. We'll put it down. We'll open it later. Here. Here.
a t-shirt for
Here. Open.
Who's that one?
I think you want Ferdinand, huh? Is that what you wanted for Christmas?
Is he ripping? Who's that?
It's
It's Dash.
Oh,
Dash and
This is
Dash.
Dash and Dash.
fix it.
Let's see
Hey, you
what
want
else
another one?
that.
I think you might want this one, Henry. You want to open up this one?
I don't know if that's
This one.
a couple other big ones. It's alright. Keep going.
Hey, Henry, here. Are they exactly the same?
It's big stuff.
They're pretty much the same, but their colors alternate.
Gotcha. You want to open up that one? Okay, you don't want to open this one?
I'll press this one.
Which one? This one?
Next one. This one.
Oh, okay. Here.
This one.
Nip it,
You're
nip
gonna
it.
nip it. Open it up. Shut the camera.
Let's go.
Going.
That one.
It's digital.
Diesel 10. This one's a surprise. We don't know what team it is.
Look it.
You want to open it?
Ah. And cut.
Let's see. This is a big surprise. Are you going to get a Steamy or a Diesel?
Let's
Find out.
this one now. It's up.
You got Diesel.
Cut diesel. Cut fixed.
Look at that.
Whoa!
Diesel.
Diesel. He's all dirty and scratched up.
Is he a dirty diesel?
Diesel. 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 Diesel.
Diesel. Let's see this.
I see this.
I dropped something else down there. Henry, was Santa good? Look at all the other stuff he's got for you. Wow, did he bring you a cool magazine?
It's chicken time.
Turkington,
The
yeah.
body booty is a maker.
Mr. Maker.
A
Yeah.
robot.
Alpha Blocks.
It's diesel.
It's Diesel. What about this one? Got so many presents.
Yeah.
Diesel. It's diesel.
Yeah. Let's open this one.
It's diesel 10.
It's not Diesel 10.
It's diesel.
Want to do this one?
It's diesel.
Ready? Give it a good rip.
Henry, come on, you gotta keep opening your presents, buddy. You gotta see the whole loot.
Fucking shower. It's fucking shower.
Who's that?
And fix this.
Who's that train?
Sorry.
Emily.
Sammy.
Oh,
Very
boy.
good.
And fix this.
Wow.
It's fucking shower.
Yeah, that's the fat controller on there.
Fix this.
You want to open this one?
After this one.
Okay.
It's Sammy.
Emily, yes.
It's Sammy. It's Nanny. It's
Oh boy.
It's Sammy. It's Sammy.
And Emily's tender.
Wow. That's pretty cool, huh?
It's Sammy.
Is that Emily?
Wow.
It's Sammy.
What about this guy?
And pet this guy. Fix this. Fix this. Fix this.
Wow. You wanna open it? Yeah.
It's tennis.
Here. Let's open it. Here.
I think it's more trains.
It's my tree.
Oh, hey,
It's
Henry.
next on me.
Yeah.
There you go.
Here. You got it? Okay. What's that?
Who's this?
It's Jesus.
Diesel
Yeah.
Fix this.
You like that?
It's Sammy.
Do you want to open it?
It's Appy.
Wow, this is pretty cool.
It's Jesus.
Is that Diesel 10?
It's that Jesus.
Yeah.
We have other stuff to open, honey.
It's just Appy. Jesus.
Look, he has his claw. Did it come up? Oh, it goes like that. Wow.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Trains.
More.
More?
Trains.
And my dreams.
You want to open a big one? You want to open this one?
Oh.
Let's open this one. It's heavy though. Here, come here.
Is it heavy?
Okay, here, start
Is
here.
it heavy?
Yeah.
The camera goes in here.
Is it heavy? Ah!
Oh!
Fix this.
Here, what?
Is that mean this is diesel? Fix. Ah!
Give it a good rip. Rip it, rip it.
Who's
It's
that?
Jack. It's Jack. Fix this. Fix this. It's Jack.
What is this box?
Whoa! It is. What is this? It's all the books.
65 Thomas books.
It's Jack.
Wow.
It's Jack.
That's cool.
Fix this.
Let's open this later.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, is that cool?
Look at Thomas.
Chips.
Yeah, we'll open this one later. This is too big.
We will open, don't worry.
Let's do more presents.
Want to open that one?
I'll pick this one.
Oh, I wonder what
Okay.
this is.
I wish this.
Give
I
it
wish this.
a good rip. More rips.
My book.
More books, that's right. Everybody poops.
Okay.
And the holes in your nose. What are these books?
Where's it? Where's it?
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that silly book.
The
The end.
the end.
The end.
The end.
Okay, this book. This book.
Okay, hold on.
This one.
Look at this silly book.
This book.
Who's this?
This.
It's an elephant.
That's it.
And who's that?
My
Put these
book.
books over here. Do some more presents. Do that one?
I think that one.
Okay. Give me a good rip.
Oh, who's that now?
Stuck. Stuck.
It's a duck.
Fix this.
Duck.
Fix this.
Okay, let's put him over
Who's
here.
that? What else you want to do?
Fix this one. This one.
Who do you think's this one?
Dick.
You're stuck.
Give me a good rip.
A dick.
Rip
A
it, rip
duck.
it.
A duck. A duck.
Is another duck? Who's that?
It's going.
Who's this?
It's winning.
Ferdinand!
Yeah.
I fix this. This winning.
It's
Is
Ferdinand.
that Ferdinand?
Fix this. Fix the winning.
You want to open this one?
I fix this one.
Open Ferdinand.
You
Alright.
like Ferdinand?
It's cool.
It's cool, yeah.
It's winning.
Look at Ferdinand's tender. He's from Misty Island.
Wow, Andy, that's pretty cool.
It's winning.
Santa must have known exactly what you wanted.
It's
Mommy did a good
window.
job with your Christmas list.
Kim.
More?
Come on, another train? You want a big one? So let's open this one.
Oh boy.
What's
This
in
one.
this?
This one.
That one? You open it. What's in that one?
This
Which
might be pretty
stick?
cool.
Mommy, open that one. And then we open this one.
Rip, rip.
Pick that one.
Rip it.
Look it.
What is this? Slinky dog.
Yeah.
All right.
Fix this.
You
Wow.
hold it.
dolls.
Whoa.
Fixed
Look, he even talks.
Fixed it.
Okay, we'll open him in a minute.
Blaze. Blaze.
Whoa, you gonna open up that one next? Okay, here we go.
Blaze.
Open it.
Give it a good zip. It's the Diesel Works.
Whoa!
Look at that.
DC works.
Yeah, this is Diesel Works.
Cool.
Fixed it. Fixed.
Look at this. The oil goes up and down.
Fixed it.
Okay, we'll open these big ones later. Let's put this one over here.
What about this one that I just did? Look, that's it. Right here. Whoa, what's that?
Oh, that's a bridge. Looks like a castle. This is for your Thomas strings.
Yeah, was that heavy?
Look at this. This is cool.
That's a big heavy jump. There's only a few more left. You can't open them all at once. You want to open the big one? Okay.
Let's do.
Careful.
Oh, let's do that one last, but I guess he wants to do it now.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! Can you say Merry Christmas?
This one.
Want to open this one?
And Sammy.
Hey, what about this? We have one more train.
My train.
You want to do it?
Come on, Henry, it's open. You ready?
Here we go. Give it a good rip. Who's in this one?
Who's that?
It's cookies.
The coaches.
Yeah.
I fixed it.
What coaches are they?
Who's that?
It's cookies.
Annie and Clarabelle.
Thomas cookies.
Yeah,
Thomas's
Thomas's coaches.
Fixed it. Fix.
Annie and Clarabelle.
Fix it. Cookies.
Okay, we'll open this in a minute. Let's do the rest of your presents.
Annie,
I'll open it.
Is it apple?
why don't you open this one? You don't want to open it? Look at this one. Yeah. Henry, let's keep going. Come on, big boy. Let's keep opening. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, is it cool? Here, we'll make a big old train.
Oh, this is a big one.
Henry, open the big one. Whoa!
What is this? Tidmouth Sheds.
It's covered.
Yeah!
Tidmouth Sheds.
It's dead.
Sweet. Oh my goodness.
Wow, Henry.
This is where all your trains
That's a
can
big
live.
one. Okay, ready? What's that?
Wow.
Is that cool?
It's that cool.
Oh, your trains are gonna live in there.
It's tree.
Yeah.
This one.
You want to open up this one?
Up is this.
Alright, there's only two left though. This is this one and this one, that's it. So you ready?
It's really clever.
Annie and Clarabelle.
Here you go, Henry. Ready? Here. Back here. Yeah.
Oh, what's that? It's a me-reader.
Yeah, it's more book
It's
stuff.
like an iPad. And it's got books. Look at that.
Tissues. Tissues. Tissues.
Okay.
You will like it later, I promise.
Got the Dalmatians.
And there's one more left. There's one more pop. There's one more.
Tissues.
Ready? Let's open. Ready to open it? Here. Start here. Right here.
You did a good rip.
Right here. Right here. There you go.
Oh, what's that? What is it?
It's pretty bus. It's quickie. It's quickie.
Look at that. It's a Thomas hint.
It's quickie.
Yeah,
That's
cranky. Wow, now you can crawl inside Thomas. Like the conductor.
Wow, Sarah was really good to you this year.
That's it, buddy. What else? This is awesome stuff. Look at all of this stuff you
Merry
got.
Christmas, big
Book.
boy.
Book.
Yeah.
Book.
Yes, this is a book.
What's your book?
Merry Christmas.
What's your book?
Okay.
Okay.
The snowy
Merry Christmas,
surprise.
big boy.
Wave to Daddy.
Henry, Merry Christmas, big boy.
Books.
Aww.
Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas.
This is a story.